Welcome to the AXN Source tutorial series. In this guide, we'll walk you through the full process, from account creation to connecting your Shopify store and finally fulfilling your orders. Tutorial 1. Creating your AXN Source account. Open a new browser tab and go to axnsource.com. Scroll down and on the bottom right corner, click Sign Up Now. You'll now see the registration form. Start by entering your full name. Then, type your email address. Next, set your password and confirm it by typing it again. Enter your phone number. Under the language option, choose English or select your preferred language. Check the box that says, I have read the user registration agreement and privacy policy. Click Sign Up. That's it. Your AXN Source account is now created. Tip: if you're using Shopify, you can also install the AXN Source app directly from the Shopify App Store. This will automatically create your AXN Source account and connect your store, saving you time. Tutorial 2. Connecting your Shopify store. Once you're inside the AXN Source dashboard, look to the left-hand side menu and click on Store Management. Here, you'll see the AXN Source linked platforms. From the list, select your platform. In this case, choose Shopify. You'll now be redirected to the Shopify App Store. From here, install the AXN Source app into your Shopify store and click to connect. Your AXN Source account is now successfully linked with your Shopify store. Tutorial 3. Fulfilling orders with AXN Source. Start by navigating to the left-hand menu and click on Order. If your orders aren't visible, click Sync Order on the right side. A pop-up window will appear. Make sure your Shopify store is selected. Choose your desired time range and click Confirm. Once your orders are synced, they will appear in the list below. To request a quote, click the Ask for Quote button next to each order. Our team will source the best supplier and provide you with the most competitive pricing. Once the quote is ready, select the orders you want to fulfill by ticking the checkbox located next to each order left side. At the top, you'll see the total amount under the Pending Payment section. To make the payment, go to the right-hand menu and click Billing. Under the Bank Transfer tab, you'll find our bank account details. Use these details to complete your transfer. Fill in the required fields: your user ID, bank name, account or IBAN, top-up amount, and payer name. Upload your payment receipt and click Confirm. Once your funds are credited, your updated balance will appear at the top. Next, here choose your preferred shipping method. Then, select the order you want to fulfill. Click Pay and confirm your order. Your fulfillment process is now complete. Optional: batch payment and auto fulfillment. To simplify the fulfillment process, AXN also offers a batch payment feature. To enable it, click the profile icon at the top right and go to Settings. In the Settings menu, click on the System tab. Under the Shipping Plan section, choose Shipping, then select Dedicate Line. If you want to fully automate the fulfillment, turn on the Order Auto Pay option. Click Save at the bottom right to apply the changes. Now you can select all your orders, click Pay, and process them in one go. That's it. Your AXN Source operations are now faster, smoother, and more efficient.